Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, we have the Pulsar 400. You can see there's a lot of crowd here already. All around you can see. And the excitement is there because the big Pulsar has been launched. This is the grey variant. We're gonna document the red. So what's the best about the Pulsar 400 NS Z? The Z term has been added, means there is lots gonna happen in future. That's what the Bajaj officials mentioned. The bike, I'm sure you guys looking at the design are wondering that why is the size so, average, but in the end, I'll be honest with you, this is the Pulsar DNA. They have done the magic here more. That's the main thing. But if you go to see, the entire bike is been designed new. Single cylinder liquid cooled. So churns out 40 bhp of power and 35 Newton meter of torque, which is decent for Indian roads. Why is it called bigger? Because 400cc man, find the cubic capacity increases. I'll just show you the instrument cluster. As you can see, it says let us ride, which is so cool, and they come with 4 modes. Yes guys, you heard it right. They have a road, sport, rain and off-road mode. But keep one thing in mind, the off-road mode is mapped. It does not shut the ABS. So keep that in mind. So they have the LED. Also, they have the USB port here for charging. So it's an easy access, as you can see. It's a easy access. The levers for clutch, which is very light, comes with adjustable knobs on both, brake also, and they are 5-step adjust. Beautiful colors. I think there are around 5 variants which are all laid down around. I don't know the technical specifications because this is a walk around. The ride review will come after 11th, but this is a very comfortable sitting position. I'm sure any average Joe can also ride this, but now you got a lot of muscle here. That's the main thing. Hop on and hop off. That's the signature style of Pulsar. Why do I have a smile on my face? Because I did own the 180 and I'm really excited that nothing else has changed. The seat is a split seat, comes with the grab bars. Now let's quickly show you guys something important. We have an underbelly exhaust, which is right here. The swing arm has also been changed because it's a heavier engine. For the bike is anywhere around 175 kilos. Please don't quote me on that. Check the spec sheets on the website. The tires are 17 both, and if I'm not mistaken, this is 140, as you can see. So the width is 140. Both are decent grips. They are road riding tires because this is a naked sport. And as you can see, if you come on the tail end, you can see a nice similar looking to KTM side indicators. Beautiful looking motorcycle. 43mm front forks, champagne color. Looks really nice. It looks very aggressive. So don't think it's a small machine, because a lot of people must be thinking the size of this motorcycle, that it's not looking that big, because I took some opinion from people, but in the end this is a Pulsar and that's the DNA. Yeah. The best part is the introductory price is 1,85,000 ex-showroom, which is crazy for a 400cc single cylinder, and I don't know, Bajaj has done it damn well. Stay tuned for more feeds coming from Pulsar when I'll make the ride review. This was just a short walk around for you guys. Hope you like the video. Please send a thumbs up or comment down below.